Okay, Mr. Yes, when yes, we have homework. We did the homework yesterday. In the weekly plan, what we have today?
Yesterday homework for
Okay.
we check the
Yes, Yama. Good. Okay. Yesterday we did the absolute value, right? Good. So we will check the homework on Sunday of the absolute value. Now today we will do some of the test practice questions, right? So go to, by the way, the last lesson, lesson 6, skip it, huh? Yes. No. Okay, we are on page 60. Page 60, all of you go there. The online students, guys, we are on page 60. In Sunday, we'll check the homework of the absolute value lesson. 1-6, skip it. So now we are on page 60. Select with me questions. 1, 7, 5, 6, 4, 12. Go. Solve these questions. Guys, and the online students, I will write the questions again. 1. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. In the online, guys, do these questions. Please. No. Do these questions, guys. Yeah. Each one by himself. On the online, we have Muhammad Jad. Allah. Muhammad Jad, talk with me.
Yes, Mr.
Muhammad Jad.
Yes.
Now, when I say absolute value of -6, -8, how much this should be?
It will be 14.
What?
14.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Does. Go do your questions, Muhammad. Thank you.
Welcome.
Ahmed Abu Laban, talk with me.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, ya Ahmed. You select your questions.
I'm trying to answer.
Yalla, question 1. Read.
Which is equivalent to 2 power 5?
2 to the power of 5. Question 1.
Yeah.
We have 2 to the power of 5. Which one equals what?
Wait, I'm solving it, Mr.
Yeah, find it. How we find it, do you know?
Yes.
How we do? What we write here? Tell me.
2 multiply 2 5 times.
Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2,
32,
3,
Mr.
4 times 2. It will be what?
32.
So the answer is
32.
part D.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
This is question 1, guys. Solve it. Abdullah.
Yes, mister. Yes.
Wait, ya Abdullah, wait.
Okay.
Question what? 6? There, mister. This is bracket. Absolute value. No, we know the absolute value. We have 2 lines. Abdullah, are you with me?
Yes.
Yalla, read with me question 4, ya Abdullah.
Sorry, mister. I don't get the book.
طيب. Copy with us. Copy with us, ya Abdullah.
Okay, mister.
Muhammad Zakaria. Muhammad. Mr. Khalid تعال. معلش what's your name؟ محمد اجلس مكان خالد. خالد اجلس لي هون. محمد Zakaria, do you hear me? Check your mic, please. Mr. Mustafa, are you here? Read the question 4. Plus 4x minus 11, أيوة. And x is 3.2. How we find it? We replace the variable x by its value, which is 3.2. This is equal. يلا احكي لي شو أكتب. 9 multiply 3.2. Guys, in the decimal with the power, put parentheses. If you put it like this, maybe you're confused. You will think that the power only for 2. No, the power is for the whole number, okay? Just to make sure that you are not confusing there. Plus minus 11. Did you calculate it? ممتاز. 93.96, which is part D. Question. This is question 1 and the question 4, guys. Copy the steps. Don't just select. Don't just select. Sit down, يا علي. طب after question 4, we have a question 5. Read, Abdullah. Verbal. The product of 5 and a number decreased by 11. Oh, the first one. the product of 5 and a number decreased by 11. Not 11 decreased by, and maybe you will be confused between A and B, right? The product and a number, they set to the number which is missing number here, n. So the product of 5 and the number is 5n, decreased by 11 minus 11. So question 5, it is A, 5n minus 11. But question 6. Read Yazan. يلا evaluate the expression. Let me write it. 5 bracket 13 minus parentheses 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 2, like this, right? Yeah. Where we will go the first thing is this bracket, right? The parentheses. So we have two parentheses or brackets inside each other. We'll go to the insider one, right? Yeah, let's go to the insider one. Yes, and here we have exponents and addition. What we do first? We do the exponent. So this is equal 5 with 13 minus 3 to the power 2 is 9 plus 2 to the power 2, 4. Did we get rid of the parentheses or not yet? Not yet. We do another step to get rid of it. So this is equal 5 with 13 minus 13. 5 multiply 0, which is what? This is question 6. Copy the steps, guys. Who want 1 or 4? مين بده 1 and 4؟ طيب. Yeah, 5 and 6 here. مين اللي بيحكي؟ يس. Quickly قد ايه يعني؟ دقيقتين؟ يلا جو. دقيقتين يوسف. Yeah. Yes, yeah. You have calculator. أعطيه الكالكوليتر. أيوة أعطيه هذه. لا والله أعطيه الكالكوليتر. اكتب 5 multiply 0 equal. اهدى يا ابني اهدى. كم؟ طيب اكتب الآن 5 divided by 0 equal. See, so in multiplication no problem, but in the division we cannot divide in 0. Yes, you there. يلا. Question what هلا؟ 7. Read. Anyone need these guys here? Finished? Hello? طيب. Let's write the question first. Yeah, what's your name? يلا محمد. Let's write the question first. Question 7. We have 2 times 3 and 5 over 6 plus 2 multiply 12 plus 2 multiply 1 and 1 over 6. This is the expression, right? Now the question said, which one of the expressions down equivalent to this one? Now take a look to part A, yeah, Muhammad. Is part A valid? Can we choose part A? Why? طب look here عشان اريحك انا. This is 3 and 5 over 6 multiplied by what? This is a 12 multiplied by what? And 1 and 1 over 6 multiplied by what? So the 2 is distributed in the 3 numbers, right? طلع على part A, distribute the 2. What you will have in part A, guys? Distribute the 2. We took distributed probability, right? It will be part نفس the question, صح? So in part B, in part A, they wrote for you 2 by 3 and 5 over 6 plus 12 plus 1 and 1 over 6, right? Distribute the 2. It will be the same of this. So part A, you can select it. Is not or is. خلاص هذا لا تعمل له selection. It is equivalent. احنا بدنا النط مظبوط؟ طيب 2 multiply 5 plus 12. It can be this. So it is or it is not. طيب 2 with 5 plus 12 and 34. Let's solve the question, by the way, to know it more, right? Let's solve this question here. If we solve it, we can, if we know the answer, we can know which one is equivalent and which is not. Let's solve the question. We have multiply, multiply, multiply. So we do multiply first. Mixed number, 6 by 3, 18 plus 5. So 2 multiply 23 over what? Plus 2 by 12 plus 6 by 1, 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. All multiply by, I prepared just the mixed numbers, okay? Now here, you can cross, remember? This is over 1, this is careful crossing. On 2, 1, on 2, how much? 3, so it will be 23 over, or you multiply normally, 2 by 23, 1 by 6, then divide normal. Here, 2 by 12, how much? 20, 24. Plus, here also on 2, 1, and on 2, 3, it will be 7 over 3. Right. We have two like denominator fractions here. 23 plus 7, هم like denominator, so we'll add directly. 30 over 3, 10. 10 plus 24, 34. So the answer of the whole expression is what? 34. Now let's go back a little bit. See part B. Part B, 2 multiply 5, 10 plus 12. It is not 34. Means they are not equivalent. So part B, we select it because they want the expressions that are not equivalent. فاهمين علي؟ طيب C, 5 plus 12. مش we do brackets first? 5 plus 12, how much? 17 multiply 2 outside. 34, the same. Right? مالك؟ انت مستغرب. الانسر يا ابني كم طلع؟ 34. طب انت بارت سي ايش عندك؟ 2 with 7 plus 2 with 5 plus 12. هذا expression, right? What's the answer of this expression? Huh? This is 2 multiply 5 plus 12, 17. How much? They have what? So they are equivalent. Even they have different numbers, it's okay. Equivalent means they have the same value, even they are different. For example, wait for افهم equivalent. يعني الهاف هو نفسه 5 over 10. They are equivalent. But they have different numbers, 1, 2, 5, 10, but they have the same value. Both are 0.5. Got it? So part A, we don't select it because it's equivalent. Part B, we select it because it is not equivalent. The question wants to find the not equivalent. Okay? Part C, equivalent, we don't select it. The part D, it's already the answer, we don't select it, right? So the only one we will select, which one? Part B. Part B is the correct answer. Yes. بصير 10 بلس ايش؟ يا ابني كيف 10 بلس 34؟ 10 بلس 24 2 by 5 10 و 2 by 12 24 plus 10 they are the same. You can distribute and you can find it normally. يعني. Done? Are you convinced? Convinced? مقتنع يعني؟ فكرت؟ Question 8. 7 then 12, right? Read يا عمر. Question 12, guys, in the line, please copy with us. Let's write the expression, please. Negative 8 bracket 2m 9k minus 13. Which one is the answer or the answer of it? The simplification. Let's find it, then select. First find and select. Here we distribute the negative 8 by 2m by 9k and what? And negative 13. Yeah. So negative 8 by 2m. Good. Negative 8 by 9. Omar. Negative 72k. Negative 8 by negative 13. 104. So which one? B or D? This is a question 12. Type. Question 11. We have a table, right? Let's find it. Question 11. We will simplify and we will fill the table. Which one is equivalent? We put yes. And if it's not, we put no. Read يا محمد. شو بتلعب بالقلم يا محمد؟ ها شو بتعمل؟ ما شاء الله. ريد يا محمد. مش مركز. بيلعب بالقلمين هو مش فاضي. Good. Now we know the squared, right? Squared means like twice multiply by 2. When I say twice, I mean multiply by 2. Squared, I mean power 2. في فرق بين twice f means 2 multiply f. f squared means f to the power of 2. خلاص؟ هلا power 3 or multiply by 3. Power 3 we say f cubed, right? F cubed means f to the power. Multiply by 3, what we say? Triple. So triple means زي twice, بس هاي multiply by 2, triple multiply by 3. So the expression says negative 7 times the quantity triple m minus 11. Negative 7 times the quantity of triple m 3m يعني minus كم 11. هذا expression, right? We can simplify this expression, right? Let's simplify it. This is equal negative 21m plus صح. So this is the expression and this is the simplification. Can we simplify more? No, there are no like terms here. We cannot make negative 21 with 77 and we talked about that. Okay. Now let's go to the table. أول واحد negative 7 with m power 3 minus 11. Is this correct? So we put check on no. Done. شو الغلط هون؟ بدل 3m شو حط؟ لو كانت كيوب بيكون صح. طيب 2 negative 7 by 3m minus 7 by minus 11. This is yes, he is distributing, right? يعني he did the step which we skipped اللي هي negative 7 by 3m minus 7 by minus 11 مش هيك؟ هو عملها احنا ما عملناها، احنا عملناها منتل. So part الثانية yes, but check on yes. Negative 21m minus 77. Here the problem where هي positive هو حاططها negative. So put no or check no. Negative 21m minus 11. Yes. طيب ستاند لا خلاص انا يا اخي انا وطالب عندي لا حد يتدخل. يلا انت بتحكي انه negative 21 minus 11 is correct, right? ايش اللي هو number 3 or 4. See it? What we have? No, we are on negative 20m minus 11. انت you said yes. Sit down. طب negative 21m plus 77. This is yes. Check on yes. This is our answer, right? فاهم يا محسن؟ طب the next one we have negative 21 minus 11. No. What's the wrong here? What he did? What's the mistake? He didn't. He multiplied the negative 7 with the 3m, but he forgot to multiply the negative 7 with negative 11. Got it? نعرف وين الغلط. طيب the last one it's wrong. Put power 3. طيب الأولى no. بعدين yes. بعدين no. بعدين yes. No صح؟ طيب go to question 9. Question 9, see it? Do it by yourself. Now we have statements, right? See the statements? Each one is numerical expression. Find it. They gave you the answer already, by the way. يعني الأول معطيك الأنسر فيه كم؟ 0. بس بدك تشوف true ولا false. يلا. And online, guys, we are on question 9. Wait. The first one. Yes or no? True. The second one. Let's check. The first one, how yes? You do what's inside the bracket first. 2 by 3, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 multiply 0, 0. خلاص؟ فاهم؟ الورا محمد. يلا. Now the second bracket, we have 11 bracket 3 power 2 minus 9 plus 2 times half. 2 times half come 1. 2 multiply half يعني 2 half. الاثنين half شو بيعطوا؟ 1. So this is 1. Here 3 power 2 minus 9, 0 times 11, 0. So we have 0 plus 1, which is I was telling something good for Muhammad. Here 3 power 2, 9 minus 9, 0. 0 times 11, 0. And 2 by half 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So it's not 0. It is what? False. طيب here. يلا. Let's check. أول شيء here. This one. 2 by 3. 2 multiply 3. 6 plus 2. 8. So here this bracket all of it is 8. خلصنا؟ خلوه 8 احفظوه. Here 2 power 3 8. 2 by 2 by 2 is 8. Okay, so we have here 8 and here what? ركز معي. 4 by 0 هاي 0 راح. 4 power 2 16. Now 16 minus 8 وهذا كم؟ صارت 16 minus 8 minus 8 كم؟ 0. It's correct. This one, let me do it. يلا 4 by 0 plus 4 power 2 minus 2 power 3 اسكت. اسكت. Minus 2 plus 2 multiply 3, right? أول شيء البراكت هذا 2 plus 6 which is 8. خلاص? And this exponent is 8. And this 4 power 2 16. And this 4 by 0 0. Right? 0, not 6. Now 16 minus 8 8 minus 8 0. So it's correct. So الأولى true, الثاني false, والثالثة true. Question 15. Go there, we have absolute value. Question 15, guys, here and online. Do it by yourself, please. Question 15, guys, do it. Replace x by -2 in this expression. It has absolute value. روح. Please guys, next time قبل لا اجي روح على الباثروم. قبل لا ادخل خلاص التيتشر عندك بيطلع اضلك طالع. لا تخليني ادخل وتطلب مني. ابو الزيرو بلس 1 انت. يس يا خالد. Why you need calculator by the way? يعني الكالكوليتر هذه مستخدمه لما يكون multiply numbers كبيره adding numbers كبيره to make it easy for us. اما how you will solve it يعني. واذا هذا بمنحها بالاختبارات. ايش مالك انت؟ لا بديش. انت ايش مالك؟ لا. يلا take your time. Online students, do we have answers? Less than 1 minute here. طب online students, we'll do this question, okay? So take care. Try to ان شاء الله نكون لحق. What's the answer by the way? محمد 60 67. Let's check it quickly. So this is equal, this is 16, right? Plus 3 multiplied 4 by -2 minus 9. 16 plus 3 multiplied 4 by -2, -8, negative, صح? Equal 16 plus 3 multiply negative absolute value. So it's 16 plus 3 multiply positive 17. Right? Or 17. 16 plus 3 by 17